Hello guys, I cannot even log into my Facebook today. Can you see that? So there is no way for me to log into Facebook today. It's completely shut down. For example, if I search for Facebook Marketplace, I want to check out some of the items. This is what I get. It's quite unfortunate. Also, the app isn't working, Instagram isn't working, WhatsApp isn't working. So we're gonna lose a lot of money today for not using Facebook. What the hell is going on? What is happening? Who shut down Facebook? And I can see that the stock is also falling. Facebook stock is down today. You see, Facebook stock is down. Okay, I can change it to daily. Let's see how much is falling. Can you see? Oh, some people have started buying it already. Let's see. Oh, it's trying to pick up. Until we find out what's going on. It's not really a good buy at all. Okay, let's see what's going to happen today. Facebook is down. Facebook is all the way down. Okay, see you guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the notification button. Okay, thank you. Hi.